Let's make some keto churro pancakes. Let me show you how. All right, guys, let's make our pancake batter. We're gonna take all of our keto ingredients and mix it right in. We have eggs, vanilla, almond flour, some cream cheese, and of course, Sinfully Sweet made by Shore Smoke Seasoning. Let's get in it. Adding in my vanilla, my almond flour, and then my Shore Smoke Seasoning. All right, I'm gonna throw down some butter. And then I am using my egg rings here to help us out. Add a little bit of your batter into the rings. And let's start cooking up. So in my little Blackstone pan here, I took some confectioner sugar that is...
Whoops, you messed up.
So in my little Blackstone pan here, I took some Swerve confectioner sugar and some of the Shore Smoke Seasoning Sinfully Sweet, and I mixed it together to make a dusting.
No.
Okay, do this one. Epic fail. So as soon as these are done and these are nice and hot, I'm taking them right off the griddle and mixing them in my little mixture here with my Shore Smoke Seasoning and my sugar. That way they're nice and toasty and it's grabbing just perfect. There she goes again. I turned around for 2 damn seconds. Let's give these a try here. This is our Keto Churro-Style Pancake. Delicious, just like a churro. And it's too good to be keto. I'll see you next week, guys.